Hey, Justin, bring him up here. Hi, Zach. Hey, Zach. Sure. Let's not make that an issue. Nope, this is the boat you're going on, okay? Zachy, are you going to listen? Oops, I'm supposed to be videotaping you guys. Hey, Zachy, are you going to listen? You guys just do it for a little bit and then bring him back and then you guys can go out, okay? Zach, are you steering? You gotta let him help you, okay?